Making a seed starter at home that can achieve up to 90% of germination rate is not something you can't do. Even if you are a beginner, following this simple and cheap recipe will serve you in the best. We will see how to make a seed starting mix at home without buying so many expensive ingredients and still get a high germination rate. So let's start the magic, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, we should know what actually seeds germinate well in. In a natural ecosystem, the plant produces a lot of seeds. They travel in the surroundings by water and airflow, and many times the surrounding area is well enough to achieve a germination rate of 60 to 70%. Plant produces so many seeds because it knows only 70% of them will germinate. But we have the full control over the qualities of a seed starter, so let's understand how the germination actually happens. The basic style of germination is same, while some seeds may like slightly more or less of these qualities. First of all, seeds cover the harder and protective outer layer gets broken or rotten. This happens due to moisture and temperature. A hot and moist environment cracks open the seed shell. Then the moisture reaches the inner part, and it's a signal for the seed to start sprouting. Now it will grow some roots and a bended stem that grow upwards. Both the roots and stem grow well in a soft mixture. The growth is fast if the soil is fertile and season is ideal. The most important part of a seed's media is its softness. Mostly our seeds germinate, but they can't get their heads out of the soil because the soil is hard. Only healthy and stronger seeds make it out of the soil. Overall, our seeds media should hold moisture for some time so the seed shell can rot. It should be soft and well draining, and higher nitrogen creates heat for faster germination. Our seeds media shouldn't have salts or insects of any kind. They will eat the seeds. Using an ideal seeds media not only provides better germination rate but also helps in the aftergrowth. The germination goes smooth, healthy, and fullest sprouting happens. The roots and the stem are steady and healthy, which promises the future growth. Seed starter with softness aids the root growth, which improves the hold of roots over the soil, and hence watering over the seedling won't cause the seedling to fall and die. Overall, it's a mixture with a balance, so give it a try and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Now let's know how to make an ideal seed starter at home. The first and the most effective seed starter's ingredient is the sand. It drains really well, also prevents the soil compaction, keeping it loose. You can use river sand or construction sand. The color or texture may vary, just make sure you aren't using sea sand. It's salty, which is unhealthy for seeds. Another ingredient is the simple soil. If your garden soil is clayish, means it gets compact or hard, then use lesser. We are using sand etc. to keep it loose. Nothing to worry. Just dry out the whole soil in a sunny spot to remove all kind of insects from it. Make sure there aren't stones or pebbles in the soil, they can limit the germination. One thing to use in our seed starting mix is the cow dung. Better in a composted form, you can also buy it from the description below. Cow dung is the combo of all nutrients with higher nitrogen, which is our requirement too. Use only the described amount, otherwise the heat can also burn the seedlings. Another ingredient for our seed starter is the cocopeat. Remember the softness and watering we need for igniting germination? Cocopeat is best for this job. It will keep our media soft, moist, and well draining. It's also added in the description below. Here we have all our ingredients, mix them well, and our homemade, cheap and effective seed starter is ready to use. Let's test our seed starting mix. Add it in a pot, water the soil well, then place the seeds you wanna grow. Make sure the season is right for these seeds to germinate. Now cover them with same soil or use cocopeat. Moisten the soil really well. First watering is the key to crack open the seed cover. Place the pot in a well-lit shade so our soil stays moist and seedlings can get light once they germinate. Now our seeds have germinated. You see how easy it is. Just follow all the rules. Use this seed starter for any kind of seed. Some likes more softness while some likes more moisture in their mixture. So you can adjust that. But generally it works for almost all kind of seeds, from flowering plants to vegetables, house plants to cacti. And here is a soil recipe for bigger plants. It's homemade and cost effective. Follow if you like to, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.